Hi, I'm Steve with Best Corporate Events. When it comes to presentations, survey after survey shows that people are more afraid of presenting than they are of dying. So what does that mean at a funeral? It means that we're more afraid of speaking about the person in the box than being the person in the box. In our presentation skills training, we'll talk about how to build a presentation from scratch, or how to better work with a presentation that's already been handed to you. Plus, we'll talk about dealing with nerves and about the best platform skills, what to do with your voice, eyes, and hands. We'll also give you plenty of time to practice and give you some feedback on how the presentations are going and if anything could be improved. This is an incredible, practical workshop that'll make all of your participants a lot more comfortable in future presentations. Call us and we'll see what we can do to help.